The table below represents values of a logarithmic function. Look how small it is. Why did I make it so small? Use logarithmic regression to predict the y value when the x value is 654. Geez Louise. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that table right there and use what's called LnReg. What that's going to give me is that's going to give me some gross-looking ln problem. I'm not going to write it down. I'm not going to save it. I'm just going to store it and then plug in 654 and see what happens. Be right back. All right, LnReg is just like any regular regression, okay? You go to stat, you go to edit, you type in your numbers. Now, you know this is logarithmic because you'll see as I type in the x values are multiplied by 4, okay? And the y values just go up by 2 every time. That's what makes something logarithmic. If the y values increase by the same constant number for every equal value interval and the x values explode, that's logarithmic. The reverse of that would be exponential. Now I'm going to go to stat, and LnReg is 9, so you can either hit 9 and scroll down to it, whatever you want to do. For store regression equation, I'm going to go down and I'm going to go to vars and store this. So vars, y vars, enter, enter. And now when I hit calculate on this guy, I don't have to write this whole mess down. Now, usually when I do problems like this, and let me go to y and just show you what I mean. Usually when I do problems like this, I go to my table and I scroll down to see what I need. Well, in this case, I'm looking for 654. So if you're thinking, oh, I'll just find the values, second calc value, that's a great idea. Here's the problem. If you type out 654, it's going to yell at you. It's only going to give you the values that the table covers. So I need to change the window to make sure that I have 652. So I'll change it to 700, not 100, 700. Hit second calc value again. Type that number 654, hit enter, and I get 17.35, blah, 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 blah. So that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to go back, select that answer, and I'll be done with it. 17.345. Yeah, I wonder if maybe I put in one of these wrong, or if maybe when I created this problem, it was slightly off, or maybe... I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. But clearly this is the answer that I want. Maybe I just mistyped it. But yeah, there you go. LnReg. Fun stuff. Hope this helps.